Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the most commonly used programming languages among full-stack developers in Cambodia. If you're in Cambodia and thinking about a career in building web applications from top to bottom, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the most popular languages that are shaping the tech scene in Cambodia right now. We'll go beyond just listing them off. We'll dive into what makes each one unique, where they fit into the full-stack world, and why they might be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're already a coding pro or just starting your journey, this video is your guide to understanding the programming language landscape for full-stack development in Cambodia. Let's get started. First up, we've got JavaScript. And let me tell you, this isn't your parents' JavaScript, it's everywhere. Of course, it's the foundation of front-end web development, making websites interactive and dynamic. But here's where it gets really interesting. With Node.js, JavaScript breaks free from the browser and powers the server side too. This one-two punch makes JavaScript an incredibly versatile language for full-stack developers. You can build an entire web application, front and back, with just JavaScript. This means one language to learn, one set of tools to master, and a massive community of developers to back you up. And the ecosystem, it's bursting with powerful frameworks and libraries. Think React, Vue, and Angular for the front end, and Express.js and Nest.js on the back end. If you're looking for flexibility and efficiency, JavaScript is the real deal. Next, we've got PHP, a language that's deeply rooted in Cambodia's web development scene. It's been the go-to choice for building dynamic websites and applications for years, and its presence is still strong. One of the reasons for PHP's enduring popularity in Cambodia is its ease of use, especially for beginners. It's relatively straightforward to learn, and there's a wealth of resources available locally, making it approachable for aspiring developers. But PHP isn't just about being beginner-friendly, it's got some serious power under the hood. Frameworks like Laravel and CodeIgniter have taken PHP development to the next level, making it faster and more efficient to build complex, robust web applications. Now, let's talk about Python, the language that seems to be taking the world by storm, and Cambodia is no exception. Python's popularity stems from its versatility. It's used in web development, data science, machine learning, and more. In the world of full-stack development, Python shines with its powerful yet elegant frameworks, Django and Flask. Django provides a comprehensive structure for building complex applications, while Flask offers a more minimalistic approach, giving developers the flexibility to pick and choose the components they need. But Python's appeal goes beyond frameworks. Its clear syntax and readability make it a joy to write, even for newcomers. Plus, its massive and active community ensures you'll always have support and resources at your fingertips. Java, the name alone evokes images of enterprise-level applications, and that's precisely where it excels. When it comes to building large-scale, secure, and high-performance systems, Java is often the top choice. In Cambodia, you'll find Java powering the back end of many financial institutions, government systems, and large enterprises. Its robustness, scalability, and emphasis on security make it a perfect fit for mission-critical applications. While Java might have a reputation for being a bit more complex to learn, especially compared to Python or PHP, the payoff is worth it. Mastering Java opens doors to a world of opportunities in the enterprise development space. Ruby, often paired with its popular framework Ruby on Rails, has earned a special place in the hearts of startups and developers who value speed and agility. It's known for its elegant syntax and developer-friendly environment. In Cambodia's startup scene, you'll find Ruby on Rails powering a number of innovative web applications. Its convention over configuration approach allows developers to get up and running quickly, focusing on building features rather than writing boilerplate code. While Ruby might not be as widely used as JavaScript or PHP in Cambodia, it's a powerful tool in the right hands, particularly for projects that prioritize rapid development and iteration. Now let's talk about the cornerstones of the web, HTML and CSS. While not programming languages in the strictest sense, they're absolutely essential for front-end development. Think of HTML as the structure and content of a web page and CSS as the style and design. Every full-stack developer needs a solid understanding of HTML and CSS. They're the languages you'll use to bring your front end to life, creating the user interface and user experience that users interact with. From basic layout and typography to responsive design and animations, HTML and CSS give you the power to craft visually appealing and user-friendly web experiences. Finally, no discussion about full-stack development would be complete without mentioning databases. This is where SQL and NoSQL come into play. SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL are relational databases, perfect for structured data, while NoSQL databases like MongoDB offer flexibility for handling unstructured data. Full-stack developers need to be comfortable working with both SQL and NoSQL databases, choosing the right tool for the job at hand. Whether it's storing user information, product catalogs, or complex relationships, mastering database technologies is crucial for building powerful and efficient web applications. In Cambodia, you'll find a mix of SQL and NoSQL databases being used, depending on the specific needs of the project. So, there you have it, a rundown of the most in-demand programming languages shaping the full-stack development world in Cambodia. From the versatility of JavaScript to the enterprise-level power of Java, the startup-friendly nature of Ruby on Rails, and the essential front-end skills of HTML and CSS, there's a language out there for everyone. The key is to find the one that resonates with you, aligns with your goals, and empowers you to build amazing things. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and developers in Cambodia, like elsewhere, may adopt different technologies based on global trends and local industry demands. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.